Today's video is brought to you by our good friends over at Nationwide Industries, the Fence Pros' #1 choice. And they are this Fence Pros' #1 choice for a couple reasons. One, we love using their Keystone Traverse latches. They're easy to install. You simply bolt them onto the post. No drilling for rods or cutting the rods required. It's a pretty straightforward installation process. We also love using their full line of galvanized hardware. It shows up quickly and reliably. What is up, guys? So today's video is titled Seamless Fence Installation on Extreme Terrain Using Prefabricated Panels by MyFence.com on the Fence Genius channel. Now, we're looking at the thumbnails so you can see what they mean by extreme terrain. Interested to see how they handle this with pre-made panels. If you'd like to watch this video in its entirety without my commentary, we'll add a link into the description below. Check it out there. All right, so like I said, you can see what they mean by extreme terrain. Now, I've seen Fence Genius at some of the fence techs, at the last 2 or 3 fence techs that we've attended. It seems like a really neat process. I haven't looked into it too much, only because we don't use pre-made panels in our neck of the woods, but it allows you, so you set, my understanding is you set your post and you perform measurements on how far the posts are, how much drop, is it high left, high right. You load it into their program, which now I think they've got, I've seen advertisements, I think they've got a web or a phone app where you can kind of scan the property, take all that back, feed it into the system, and it will tell you exactly how to manufacture these panels, how wide they need to be, if they need to be high left, high right, how much drop, that sort of thing. And the theory is that once they're all built, you can bring them out here, the panels will be numbered, and just install them as you go. Always been intrigued to see how this looks. So with all that being said, let's check it out. Looks like some nice cedar. They obviously fit pretty snug. They're not fastening them in yet. They're just kind of held by gravity and friction, looks like. Guys, this is looking pretty slick. So the top line, we're trying to keep the top line straight. We're also trying to accommodate for a rising terrain there. So as the prompt says, notice how the top is varying from the bottom. Definitely interesting. Looks really nice. I especially like how the top rails are following each other. You know, one is lined up with the next and relative to the fall in the grade. Obviously not stair step. That's the part about pre-made panels that kind of drives me nuts, is that stair step look. This is a custom look, but the panels are pre-made. So it's maybe a best of both worlds. Okay, so they've already got them pre-started with the fasteners. Definitely saves time, I'm sure. So they are fastening them as they go. I didn't think they were, only because it was happening so quickly. You didn't see them stop what they're doing, go grab fasteners, fasten each one. So I guess that's a testament to how quick it goes up, and that I know it's time-lapse, but you still don't really see them taking the time to fasten it. So seems like an efficient system they've worked out. Very nice. Very slick. Let me know what you guys think about this system. To be clear, I'm not sponsored by My Fence or Fence Genius. I don't have any affiliations with them. I've just seen them at several of the Fence Tech shows, and I thought I would check out their system. I think it looks slick. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. As always, Joe Everest, the fence expert, reminding you, good fences make good neighbors, and I'll see you next time.